Hi, in this video you will learn how to set up your loyalty program with store credits. Now let's take a look at the difference between a store credit and loyalty point. Store credits acts as a virtual cash. It's good to boost retention in the short term, while loyalty points is designed to encourage customer engagement and build long-term customer loyalty. For the first part, you need to activate your store credit. Before you begin, be sure to go to the Echo Marketing app and click Loyalty Program in the left menu, and then click Store Credit. If you see a notification that tells you to update your store account as shown in the screen, this means that you have to go to the Shopify admin and update your store account. To go to Shopify's admin page, you need to go to Shopify settings and click Customer Account. Once you're in Shopify's customer account setting, all you need to do is to change the settings from legacy to customer account. Now under the customer account setting, be sure to toggle on the store credit feature. In this final step, all you have to do is to go back to the Echo Marketing app in the store credit setting and click activate. For the second part, let's learn how to set up your store credit. Before you begin, be sure to go to the Echo Marketing app and click Loyalty Program in the left menu. Navigate to Store Credit. Now let's set the name for your store credit's currency. You can set up the term for singular and plural forms. In this case, the singular term will be store credit, while the plural form will be store credits. Let's now customize your store credit reward, which is a virtual cash that can be used for future purchase and can help to incentivize customers to return. So click Edit and Reward and then click Add New. Now click Store Credit. When setting up your store credits, you'll need to decide on your reward structure. You can either give all customers the same reward value regardless of their VIP tier status, or customize rewards based on different VIP tiers. Now let's define which part of the order counts towards earning store credits reward. Here, only the product total is selected, meaning customers earn store credits based on the item subtotal, excluding shipping and taxes. If you want them to earn store credits on shipping and taxes too, just check the boxes. In this section, we're going to choose when store credits will be issued. If immediately is selected, store credits are issued immediately. Or you can change this to, for example, 7 days if you want to delay the store credits issuance. Finally, we can choose when customers will receive their store credits. There's two options. The first one is paid, which means store credits are issued immediately after payment is confirmed. The second one is paid and fulfilled. It means that store credits are only issued once the order has both been paid and shipped. Let's go over how store credits are issued and the different settings available for timing. If you choose immediate and paid, store credits are issued as soon as the payment is completed. If you choose immediate, paid, and fulfilled, store credits are issued once the order is paid and fulfilled. If you choose X number of days and paid, store credits are issued after a set number of days following payment regardless of fulfillment. If you choose X number of days, paid and fulfilled, store credits are issued after a set number of days following both payment and fulfillment. For the final step, click Save, and you're done. Now let's take a look at the customer experience with store credit. To see your store credit at your account page, you can click Profile, and then go to your account profile. Now you can scroll down to the payment methods to see your store credit balance. And this is what the store credit will look like at checkout when store credit covers the entire purchase. On the other hand, this is what the store credit will look like when store credit covers part of the purchase.